How to assemble Ingenuity PowerAdapt Portable Swing. Swell. Here are step-by-step instructions derived from the official Ingenuity manual and tips on how to assemble the Ingenuity PowerAdapt Portable Swing. Swell, also called PowerAdapt ConvertMe Swing-2-Seat, Swell, safely and correctly. What's in the box, parts list, before assembly. Ensure you have all the parts. The manual for this model lists parts such as rear base frame assembly, left front base frame and right front base frame, control panel, swing control module, left and right swing frame assemblies, crossarm, connecting piece, seat tube, seat pad, fabric, headrest, toy bar with toys, vibration unit, DAC, module, USB cable for power. Screws, use e.g. M5 Phillips screws. Double-check everything is present, undamaged, and accounted for before starting. Assembly instructions below is a generalized sequence based on the manual. Always follow the specific diagrams in your included manual if they differ. 1. Prepare your workspace. Choose a flat, stable surface with enough room to unfold components. Keep all screws, tools, Phillips screwdriver, and parts within reach. Avoid assembling near edges where parts might fall. 2. Attach front base frames to rear base. Take the rear base frame and align the left front base and right front base frames to it. Insert and secure them using the provided screws, e.g. M5 Phillips screws, as indicated. Ensure the base is stable and the frames sit flush. 3. Attach swing frame arms. Mount the left and right swing frame assemblies, arms, onto the base structure. They will often slot or hinge onto the base frame. Make sure they are firmly secured, screwed or locked in, so the swing is stable. 4. Install crossarm, connecting piece. The crossarm may join the two swing arms, left and right, to maintain spacing and structure. Slide or attach the crossarm into its designated position, usually near the top of the swing arms. Secure with screws or locking mechanism as per the manual. 5. Insert seat tubes, support rods. These tubes support the seat, fabric part. Slide them into the designated slots or holes on the swing arms and crossarm. Confirm they are fully inserted and secure. 6. Attach the control module, swing motor unit. The motor control panel should be attached in its place, often at or near the top of one swing arm or between arms. Connect any wiring or plugs between the control module and the frame, as specified in the manual. 7. Add seat fabric, padding, and headrest. With the frame assembled, you can install the seat pad fabric onto the tubes and frame. There will likely be slots, loops, or fasteners, hook and loop, snaps to secure the fabric. Attach the headrest portion where indicated. 8. Attach the toy bar. The toy bar, with plush toys, typically pivots so it can swing into or out of the way. Snap or secure it into its mounting points on the frame. Ensure it's locked in and doesn't sag or interfere with swing motion. 9. Install vibration unit, if separate. Some versions have a separate vibration unit you insert under or within the seat. Make sure it's secure and doesn't dislodge during use. 10. Power battery setup. This model uses the supplied USB cable 5V1A to power the swing functions. Insert the required batteries for the vibration unit, if the vibration unit is battery powered. The manual says one size CLR14 battery for vibration. Ensure correct polarity and secure the battery door. If using USB, connect the cable to the swing and to an appropriate wall adapter. Use only the supplied or recommended adapter. 11. Test the mechanisms. Before placing a child in it, test that the swing motion works, that settings, speed, timer, music function, and that everything is stable. Listen for abnormal noises or rubbing and check that parts don't flex or shift. 12. Final safety checks. Confirm all screws are fully tightened, not over-tightened. Check that fabric is taut and properly attached. Ensure the 5-point harness or restraint system is working and adjustable. Verify the swing doesn't tip or wobble when given a gentle push. Check that the toy bar doesn't obstruct or interfere with movement. Convert to stationary seat mode, if desired. The PowerAdapt line often allows converting from swinging to a static seat, locking the swing. Engage the Easy Lock system or whichever mechanism locks the swing arms as per your model. Ensure the seat is stable in that locked position before placing the child. Tips and warnings. Always refer to the diagram pages in the manual to confirm which parts go where, left versus right, front versus back. The text alone might not suffice. Keep loose parts, screws, washers in a small tray so they don't get lost during assembly. Do not over-tighten screws that can damage plastic parts or strip threads. Assemble on a padded or soft, non-abrasive surface, carpet, blanket, to avoid scratching metal or plastic. Periodically recheck screws after some use, as vibrations might loosen them over time. Always use the restraint, harness, and never leave a baby unattended in the swing. Stop using the swing in swing mode when your child can sit up unassisted or reaches the weight limit, often namais hurtait kuugu. Check your version's specs.